Hey everyone, Vince here. Missed you all, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you 3 new PayPal paying applications, but are they really worth your time? Let's find out together. Don't forget to leave your support below. Hope you enjoy. So the first application is called Cash Run, Earn Money. Now this is what Cash Run looks like when you first launch it up. It runs on a coin-based currency system, but there's also an energy system as well. As you can see, I have 20 energy available today. You also find an in-game currency of cash, which we can use for upgrades at the bottom of the home screen here. You'll notice that you can either increase the stacks of cash you get, or the amount of income you receive. This type of application design really does make me laugh because it reminds me of those super casual games that you see on mobile ads all the time. Simply tapping on the screen will allow you to play the game. All I need to do is avoid the hazards and collect the cash. Pretty straightforward concept, everyone. Now you're probably thinking, okay, how exactly am I actually going to be able to earn any type of PayPal cash from this application? Once you get to the end of the track, you can see here that we're going up different multiplications of our cash. And generally, the more cash stacks you have, the higher you'll go. So now that the first level has been completed, we can now generate our first batch of coins. In the middle of the screen, you'll find the amount of cash you've generated for upgrades. But then at the bottom of the screen, you'll see that we can actually watch an advertisement to continue our gameplay while also being rewarded coins for watching the ad. So let's do that now and see how many coins we can generate. Alright, so after watching that advertisement, I was able to generate 1,595 of the coins. So you're probably wondering, okay, how much does that actually break down to? This is what the withdrawal area looks like on Cash Run. You need a minimum of 20,000 points in order to cash out PayPal. Now you see, I cashed out 8 cents worth of PayPal earlier on, and I'll give you my update at the end of this video. But to give you a currency conversion, 10,000 coins converts into 1 cent worth of USD of real money. So you can continue to play Cash Run 20 times in a single day, at least here in Australia and in my own experience. I mean, it might recharge faster than that in your country. After I've tried it 20 times, I don't really want to play it anymore for the day anyway. So it might recharge a bit faster. Something I noticed though is that the coins you generate at the end of each level are like completely randomized. So you won't get a certain amount each time. In fact, it seems like it's more on the lower end, where the more you play, the less and less coins you may get. Let me just claim these coins now. Alright, so this time around, I actually generated more coins of 2,046. So that's technically like 0.2 worth of a cent. Now in total, I have 1 cent worth of USD currency. Now Cash Run is only one of the new applications we're going to be talking about today. You see everyone, Cash Run runs on a system where all the games from the same developer will allow you to share an account balance. What this means is that there are other games from the developer of Cash Run where I can log into a Google account, and that will bring the balance from Cash Run over to their new game. So technically you can use one account for multiple games to really start generating the coins per day. And this can be either a really good thing or a really bad thing depending on how many coins you get per level. You see, this time I even got 3,555 coins. Completely random. Now let's jump on to the next game. The next application is called Crypto Shop, Earn Crypto. Now don't be worried about the name. These applications give both PayPal and cryptocurrency withdrawal options. Now this is what Crypto Shop looks like. You can see straight away we've started off with my account balance back on Cash Run of 13,703 of the real cash. And you'll also notice that my energy for this game is also at 20 out of 20. Remember what I said, you can jump between the games every single day. You just gotta make sure you sign into your account. There is in-game cash as well, which you can use for various upgrades on the game itself. Now the whole target of Crypto Shot is for us to actually break down the structures. Simply hover your finger over where you want to shoot and tap the screen. That's at least one way of doing it. The way I like to do it is by aiming, by holding my finger on the screen, and hopefully your projectile will hit the target, which mine just missed. That's because we have to use our upgrades. You'll see I just generated $207, which now means I can purchase one of the upgrades available. I'm going to increase the power, the size, and the accuracy, and even the amount. Top left corner of the screen, you can see the available projectiles left. Let me just aim again here for the base of the structure. Just missed. Let's try again, everyone. Here we go. Oh, just missed the center again. You really have to try and hope that the accuracy comes through. So after applying a power upgrade again, we're going to aim and shoot. Hopefully we do some damage. There we go. That's how it's done. Let's keep on going here. Some shots really are weak, but this one seems not to be too bad, as we've pulled in 1,500 of the cash. This allows me to tap on every single upgrade there is, gonna increase the amount of projectiles and the accuracy. Now we should be able to break this structure with relatively ease with an accurate projectile here. Yes, we can. Look at this, everyone. Hopefully I can take down the whole structure right now. That would be nice. You can also hit your same projectile, so be careful where you're aiming, because I just hit the same projectile, which made the ball useless. Gonna increase the power to max. Let's aim again. Should go straight through, hopefully. Yep, there we go. Instantly broke the structure by maxing out the power. So same exact concept as the previous app. We have to watch an advertisement to generate the coins. Let's see how much we get. So I was only able to generate 1,495 of the coins for that level. And you see, this is what makes me think some games are going to be better for you to try out in your country. I'm almost at 2 cents worth of cash right now. What I noticed though is that there are not many structures at the moment. In fact, these games are very, very basic so far, everyone. Now, some people actually enjoy that, but in my opinion, it gets pretty repetitive pretty fast, and if you're going to use them, you know exactly what I'm talking about as well. The thing is, these are new, so hopefully some updates will be released very soon. But I do know there are some people out there that will definitely prefer these type of apps over survey apps. There's no real tip that I can give you in regards to speeding up the process. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, everyone. You'd want a strong but accurate projectile with multiple chances as well to destroy the structure. So it's completely up to you in what order you want to do your upgrades. I just pretty much take it as it comes, in the sense of if a structure has an easy to destroy part, I'll aim for that first. But then you get cars and things like that that are very low to the ground, which you can't really aim for much on that to destroy it all at once. You also have some skins available as well. Here you can change what the actual skin of your catapult will be. So up to you if you want a slingshot, catapult, or pillars. Again, it's nice to have, but they need to add more in my opinion. So the minimum for this app and all of their apps, in fact, is 20,000 of the points, aka coins. I can generally get between 1,000 and 2,000 coins per level on this one. Let's move on. So next up we have Coinway, earn crypto. Again, same concept, there's PayPal and crypto, everyone, okay? This is what Coinway looks like when you launch it up. You can see now we're sitting on 16,500 of the currency and 20 out of 20 energy. Again, make sure you sign in, okay? You also have the survey option, as well as the in-game currency. Now with this app, everyone, you have to travel around the land trying to defeat all the bosses. This is actually one of the more unique applications I've seen, especially when it comes to money-making applications. Now what you'll notice is that this guy is way too powerful for me since I'm level 1 and I need to get to level 4. So let's search the land, hopefully finding some sort of pickups here without running into an even more powerful guy that will drop us instantly. I just found a helmet then, so now that's put me up to level 2. Let's keep on browsing around the land here. Aha, there's an axe that will put us to level 12. Let's take down this boss. Now we've just inherited his 2 levels and now we're level 14. Let's drop this level 6 boss. Now we're level 20. And now we can take down these 2 bosses without any issues whatsoever. So now we're sitting on level 32. You do have in-game items as well if you want to use them against the bosses. You can also pick up wood as well to build bridges. Let's keep on browsing around here until we find the big bad boss that we can't drop yet. And there he is. Level 48, everyone. Let's continue to search the land. Let's take down this level 20 boss. Now we're level 52, which enables us to beat the big guy. And that's it, level is completed. We can now watch an advertisement in order to generate those coins. So going to watch the ad right now. Watching that advertisement generated me 1,700 of the coin. Each level generally takes you between 2 to 3 minutes, I found. You see, with the in-game currency, you can purchase arrows, start with extra levels, or even get rid of the fog around your character. What you'll find is that some levels will be more difficult than others, and more than likely you're gonna fail them a few times, because you essentially are walking blind through each of the areas, and with one wrong step, you could run into a boss. Let me show you what happens when you use the bow. So tapping on that instantly hits the boss, and now I can take him down. That was only one of the 4 bosses on the level as well. So all in all, pretty cool little application. I can generally get between 1 to 2,000 coins on this one as well. And that's per level, by the way. What I'm going to try and do for you all is try and get to 2 cents so I can show you the actual withdrawal area when you've activated it. Now you can see my character is pretty much a tank, everyone. We've just built the bridge. I should be able to take on any boss here. There we go. Just beaten the whole level. And now we can watch the ad again. Alright, I now have 21,000 of the coins. Heading over to the menu will now give you access to the withdrawal area. You can see that I now have 2 cents worth of PayPal cash thanks to having that 21,000 of the coins. Remember, 10,000 coins equaling 1 cent. So I'm going to hold off from cashing out right now because I want to build a bigger balance for another video. What I will do though is show you my previous cash out a few days ago that I received literally within 5 minutes, everyone. On the screen right now, you can see that I got paid out my 8 cents worth of USD currency without any issue whatsoever. Now, are these applications really worth your time? At the end of the day, if you're willing to really sit there and play these type of applications for a few cents, that's completely up to you because they do pay. And my job here on YouTube is just to see if these apps even pay or not. Are you going to make any serious cash? Absolutely not. That's not how these things work. And don't let anyone ever try and tell you otherwise. Well, Alpha Network now has 6 different apps in total that you can switch between using one account to build up a big amount of coins. So pretty much once you're done with one of the apps, you jump to the other. I hope this video helped you. I'll see you all in a few days for the next one. Catch you around.